Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your Logitech Extreme 3D Pro joystick. First, let's start with some quick checks. Always ensure your joystick's USB cable is firmly plugged into your computer. If issues persist, try plugging it into a different USB port to eliminate potential port problems. It is also crucial to install the most current drivers and software directly from the official Logitech website. Remember to restart your computer after any driver installation for changes to take full effect. Next, let's tackle calibration and software adjustments. You can calibrate your joystick through Windows game controller settings. Simply search for joystick in your Start menu. A helpful tip is to hold down the Control and Shift keys while clicking Properties to access the calibration wizard. For common issues like axis drift, particularly with the twist rudder, adjust dead zones within your game's control settings. Logitech's profiling software also offers advanced customization options. Physical maintenance can often resolve many problems. Begin by gently cleaning the joystick's exterior with a soft, damp cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. Never spray liquids directly onto the device. Instead, spray the cloth first. Carefully inspect for any loose wires or debris that might be stuck under buttons or around the main stick. Using compressed air can effectively clear dust and small particles from hard-to-reach crevices, improving overall responsiveness. For persistent issues, more advanced troubleshooting might be necessary. You may need to carefully disassemble the joystick's base to inspect internal components. Pay close attention to the potentiometers, which are common points of failure, often exhibiting wobbling or broken pins, especially on the X, Y, and Z axes. Reseat any loose wire connections, or, if a pin is broken, a tiny amount of epoxy glue can sometimes secure it. If these steps don't work, professional repair or replacement might be your best option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.